Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to break down a green pepper. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then share and like this channel. Like I said, we're going to be showing you how to break down a pepper, so let's get down to it. Alright, you got a bell pepper. Make sure you wash it as always to make sure that it's clean. And I just basically take the top and the bottom out. We will use those again. Then your pepper has no top or no bottom. Then I just take the knife and slice it down the side, and then you can gently open it up to expose the seed pod, which you remove. And then you just take your knife. Now you can take and cut this in half as well if you want to, or quarters if it feels more comfortable to do so. And then you just want to take these little ribs out of here with the tip of your knife. And you can take all the seeds out like that. And now your pepper is ready for whatever kind of cut that you want to make. You can do a julienne. From those julienne, you can do a small dice, you can do a medium dice, you can do a large dice, you can do a cut like that for Chinese food. There's many different ways to do it, but your pepper is broken down, it is cleaned, and you are ready to go to town with whatever you want to do with this pepper. Now the parts that we did, the top and the bottom, you can do the same thing with these. Just pop that core out, and then you can take and slice like that, or you can do any kind of cut that you want for it, but you basically get the idea. The pepper's broke down, it's de-seeded, it's ready to go. And there are many applications and many different cutting techniques you can use for this pepper. I hope this tutorial helped. I appreciate you bearing with me with my table, but make sure also when you're cutting things you have a stable cutting board and a stable table with which to do it. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time here on It's Only Food. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something.